There was a time when notebook computers were made of plastic, a time when they had dim screens and delicate cases, a time when they had to be handled with care. Those days are over. It all started with the Toughbook 25, the first machine built to take a beating. All that, and for half the price of the competition.
So they were looking into a regular notebook, and it's just not surviving in that rough environment. So they asked us, can you guys turn that plastic box into more rock unit?
It just met all of our users' requirements, and we also recognize that it has very low failure rates, and this means that they have their tools in the field with them.
Public Safety looked at the 25 and stated, yes, this is the product we need to go with.
I'm very proud to be able to be a participant, not only from the standpoint of it being a useful tool, but also being able to evaluate it and express my opinion and my officer's opinions.
Customers took notice. We took notes. Your feedback turned to reality in our next generation. The Toughbook 27 upped the ante. The 27 was so good, one customer bought 33,000 of them.
Based on the CF-25 customer feedback, we added the touchscreen.
We incorporated wireless technology, which is a big thing.
Mobile technology is a new venture for a utility business, and we're learning and they're learning, and I'm appreciative of the fact that Panasonic's just not sitting still and saying, well, here's our product. They're asking us hard questions, they're engaged, they're helping us to figure out what we want to be when we grow up with this tool.
Through our Advisory Councils program, more than 400 customers told us exactly how we can make Toughbooks even better. That input yielded a vastly improved Toughbook 28. Your ideas at work. The 28 answered the call on so many levels.
CF-28 was a completely redesigned.
We also incorporated some new technologies that the customer wanted to see. GPS, for one. We were the first one to look at how secure is our data.
We had issues with other vendors, other manufacturers of laptops, so we started the process of testing everything we could find in the field. Panasonic stood up beyond the rest. We had pretty much zero failure rate on the testing. We had a vehicle that was in a very serious accident. The laptop was the only thing in that vehicle that was still working.
We continued to learn about how our machines are used, about how they could be used, about how you wanted to use them. That thinking paved the way for the Toughbook 29. We make the machines, but you make them better. The Toughbook 29 was rock-solid proof.
Technical service managers do a lot of visits with a customer in their environment to understand how they're using it. That is a very big thing for Panasonic.
And Panasonic has went to the extreme of actually sending down engineers from Japan here on site to actually meet with us and kind of see what the actual customer really wants and what they need, and keep building more and more on that roadmap for the future.
There's been recent events over the last several years that have made technology very important to law enforcement. And I think it's going to continue to head in that direction into the future. And we're looking forward to newer innovations by Panasonic.
Now, Panasonic presents the CF-30. The ultimate Toughbook to date. Perfectly optimized for your real-world needs. The machine you helped us build. The Panasonic Toughbook CF-30. We invented it. You perfected it.